Hello guys, welcome back to Parmesan at 3374, and today we are going to be playing Coaster Racer 3 on Learn for Good. See, I always loved this website. I found it in 5th grade because my friends and my classmates, they discovered it, and we all started just playing it, and I'm still not done with it yet, so I'm still going to be playing. Oh, okay, cool. See, now I know what to do. I just kind of forgot the controls. I think X. Yeah. Wait, is it X? Okay, X and N. Thank you. Whew. See, I have to like get at least the 7th. So I'm doing pretty good right now. No, look, it's like a roller coaster. It's so cool. It feels like you're really doing it. When I get older, I really want to try doing this if it's even possible. Bye bye. I don't want to get on camera by this stupid chopper. Oh, okay, cool. I'm at 7th place. Let's just keep on going and see if I can get at least to like 3rd place. It would be awesome if I can get past 3rd place. Here we go. Whee! And I can also upgrade my car and my color, and I can actually upgrade the car and get a different car, a motorcycle or like a supercar. You gotta get far into the game. Oh, whoa, whoa, cool. I'm inside a snake mouth. I'm gonna wait until it comes up to 2, and then I'm gonna press nitro so I can have double nitro. Oh, dang it! I did it early. Now I only had 1 bar. Okay, I'm almost to the finish. 4th place. Woohoo! Yay! Okay, here we go. Woo! Feels so good to do this. Whoa! Yay! I did it! Cool. Oh, you can see like the people. They're not real, but still, it's cool. Yay! Yes, yes, yes! I did it! Woo! Okay. Fuel. Chicken stuff. I'm gonna go back. Let's play continue because I made it. I can make the color whatever I want. I'm gonna make it blue. For how much money? I have 865 acceleration all day. Cool. See, look, bike F3. That's a buggy. Oh, cool. Ready for the next level? See, I'm not gonna do it all today. I'm probably gonna do like half of it, and then like leave the other half for part 2. A different time. It's probably not gonna be today, so don't get too excited. Whee! Speeding up. I don't even need this. When I get to full maximum acceleration, I'm probably not even gonna need this turbo boost. Well, I probably am because I'm gonna have the turbo boost all maxed up too. Whoa! Ooh! Wee! Yay! Look at the fog. Where am I? Am I in like Japan? Am I in Korea? Something like that? Where am I? It's a beautiful place. Whoa! 8th place already. Oh! Oh, I have 3 bars of nitro. Look. Okay. Usually I have like 6. That's when I get like farther into the thing. Let's go. Woo! Oh! 11th place. Oh, come on. Crap. Wee! No! Okay. I just got scared there. 10th place. Dang it. Okay, let's try this nitro now. Wee! I'm catching up with them. Oh, I gotta be in 7th place to do this. Dang it. I might have to restart, guys. Just might have to restart. Ooh, where am I going now? Oh, I kind of forgot how this works. It looks so cool. Ooh, look at the spider webs and everything. 9th place. Wee! Oh my gosh, I'm going so fast. Move. It's probably a girl too. No, it's a boy. Riding a. Yes! 7th place! Oh! Right at the finish. Right at the finish. Yes! Right at the finish. Where am I? Oh, so, okay, cool. Oh, yes! Yay! Oh, yeah. Oh, buddy. True. Okay, cool. Nice. Okay, I'm gonna unlock the bike when I pass this level, so let's go. Oh no, what did I do? I look kind of ridiculous. No, don't fall, don't fall, don't fall, don't fall. No, no. Okay, cool. I get a little crazy when something doesn't go my way. Not necessarily in the games. It is. Okay, cool. Oh yeah. I'm going so fast. Whoa. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay, cool. Oh, Jamie. Cool. You're back. Bye bye. No. 10th place. It's your stupid intro. I see what you're trying to do to me now. Oh yeah. Okay, we're halfway there. Yay! I just speeded right past Jamie. Is that a boy or a girl? I can't tell. I know the name's a girl. It's for girls, but just the face. Alright, 8th place, guys. 8th place. Yes, I made it. I'm feeling kind of pumped today. Here we go. Oh yeah. Oh, I gotta be at 6th place. Oh, come on. No. 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 Stop. 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 Oh. Oh my gosh. I'm probably gonna have to do this one again. Come on. Nitro. Yay. Come on. Ugh. Stop it. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay guys, did you guys really think I'm only gonna do Coaster Racer? Guess what? I'm gonna do different games. Not just this game. Let's play something different. Let's do motorbike games. Bike and motorbike games. Daredevil. Oh, that sounds pretty cool. Futuristic bike game. I think I want to play this game. I want to play this game, play a different game, and that's going to be it. What? Yeah, that one. No. It won't load. Or the game's just not there. Dirt bike. Can I play this game? Please? Oh!
Studios of freeonlinegames.com.
Oh my gosh, that was loud! That was loud! Okay. Who? Oh my gosh! Oh my god! Oh! Oh! So noisy! Can't even hear my background music! Oh! Oh! Oh my gosh! I don't like this game. I don't want to do this. This was not what I was not expecting this. I was expecting a 3D like game. This game is so 2D. Doesn't it feel like you're like driving? Come Okay, here we go. Sweet. Let me just put. I'm trying to just play this game like it's like nothing. Woo! Yeah. I'm just oops on the field. Oh my gosh, you didn't even spell oops right. You didn't even spell oops right. Alright, let's play something that's not like racing. Let's play Pac-Man. Yeah. Then I was gonna go for Mario. I love Mario though. No, let's not do Pac-Man. That's so boring. You guys are like, hey Parmesan, that's so boring. No. Whoa!
Another game for the
Okay, cool. Super Mario Flash 2. Sure. It's kind of like Super Mario World, but I guess like they made the map. Wait. Yeah. No. Wait, how do I? Okay, cool. Whoa! Wait! Oh, cool. Wait. Okay. Cool. Go on. Go. Oh my gosh. Go! Yay! You didn't know, but I've been playing my Mario since I was like a little kid. This game is amazing. Whoa! And I'm not a little kid. I'm just a kid. I'm not a little kid. You guys are confused. Oh! Yeah! Yeah! No! Oh, you guys are scary. Can I jump on you? Yeah, I can. But they're not gonna do nothing. They're not even gonna die. Wait, whoa! I did it, guys. Look, good. Coins. Really? It's a football guy? Oh, what happened? That was kind of scary. Okay, guys, I think that's it. I just wanted to say thank you for watching, if you are watching, and I hope that you enjoyed the video. And I'll see you in the next video. Adios.